Hello, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take the MCQs of topography. A deep and narrow valley having steep slopes, gorge or canyon. In this method, the scale is represented as the ratio of the length of a line on the map and the corresponding actual distance on the Earth's surface. Representative fraction. It refers to the slope of the land, gradient. The points at which the vertical and horizontal lines of the grid cross, coordinates. The art and science of mapping is called cartography, an instrument used to measure a road, rail line, or a river. Opsometer, drainage pattern with streams spreading in all directions like spoke of a wheel, radial pattern. Imaginary lines joining places which have the same height above the mean sea level, contour lines. Where is the origin of the grid system? Southwest corner of the map. It denotes the relationship between map distance and the actual ground distance, scale. What is the contour interval? 20 meters. The concerned place is higher by 3 meters than its natural lowest place. How this statement is represented on a map? 3R dot. A ridge with a steep scarp in the front and a dip slope on the back. What is this? Cuesta. The drainage pattern that indicate soft surface rock material. Dendritic. The natural vegetation found on hills in India. Deciduous forests. What does circular contours whose value decreases inside represent? A lake. What explains the meaning of symbols that are used in the map? Key or legend. What are cardinal points? North, south, east, and west. What indicates the subject of the map? Title. Broken contour lines joining places with same height above the sea level. Form lines. What does the absence of contour lines indicate? The land is flat, that is a lowland. Which type of valley occur in the upper coast of a river? V-shaped valley. Which type of drainage pattern indicates presence of limestones? Trellised drainage. What is meant by fire line? What is the necessity of fire line? A clearing made in the forest to prevent the spread of forest fire. How can you tell that a settlement is important? If the settlement has facilities like post office, hospitals, police station, metal road, temples, wells, etc. An instrument used to find directions. Magnetic compass. The actual configuration of land which includes its altitude and slope. Relief. What is horizontal equivalent? Actual distance between 2 points on 2 contour lines. A number preceded by a dot. That means before the number, a dot will be there. What is that? Spot height. Example, see a dot, then 500 or a dot and 400. That is spot height. Then, what are benchmarks? Marks on buildings, bridges, pillars, stones, and some other objects of permanent nature. It is shown by B, capital B and capital M followed by a number. That is benchmark. Numerical difference between two contours. Contour interval. Difference between maximum and minimum height in areas of steep slope. Relative height. it is written as 3R, 3 small r dot, or 4R dot, etc. It is in black. If it is in black, that a letter R is in black, then that is height. And if it is written, if that R is written in blue, then it is depth, relative depth. It is shown to show the depth of a well, tank, or something. The accurate height of some point marked above the ground. Triangulated height or triangulation point. Example, a triangle followed by a number. Example, triangle and 540. And it is calculated in trigonometrical method. That is why it is so accurate. How many colors are used on the map? 7 colors. How can we find out the direction of flow of a river? So we know that in the map, the 4 directions. North is on top, south down, and east on the right side and west on the left side. See here, this is Sipu Nadi. See the direction. So always rivers flow from higher elevation to lower elevation. So here we can see the spot height 261 and it is going down. So elevation is going down and see from there we can see now it is 2. See here it is 259. Spot height 259. And again it is going down and here we can see this is 249 and again it is going down and here we can see that it is 242. So the direction of flow is from northeast to southwest. What does this line indicate? This is demarcated state boundary. Now, what does this structure indicate? This is Chhatri. And now you can see a dot with a number. What does this indicate? This is relative height. Then, now we can see the drainage pattern. This is radial. That means it is in a centrifugal. That means in a round. See, streams are gone from the top of the cliff in a round way. In all the directions it is gone. And now we can see this is trellised. That is the streams are joining the main stream in a rectangular way. That means in right angle. Now we can see this is dendritic. That means it is seen like a branches. It is gone. The streams are gone from the main stream like branches of a tree. This is the disappearing drainage system. See this. These streams, the streams will disappear before reaching the main river. That is because of the dryness of the soil. See, this we can see in the map. See here we can see streams are disappearing. See here. See, this stream is also disappearing. That means it is dried up. Here the branches of the streams join to the main stream in right angle. See, this is the main stream and these are the branches. See, it is in right angle. So it is called trellis. Now we can see the radial pattern. See, here it is see all round. See, here from the cliff, from the mountain top, streams are gone in all directions. So it is radial in a round manner. So it is called radial. Now one more is there, that is dendritic. Dendritic means it is like streams are like branches of a tree. So it is joining the branches joined to the main stream like branches. See, what is this? A black tree with a number. It is surveyed tree. Then see this. What is this? This is broken land. See. Now we can see three types of tanks. See, you can see here one blue tank. See, this is blue. That means it is a perennial tank. Perennial tank means it has water throughout the year. See, another type of tank. This is a white colored tank with black dots inside this, and there is a hair-like structure around it. That is dry tank with embankment. See, another tank. This is dry tank. So these are the three types of tanks. So in this map, we can see this is a dry river. Okay. If it is perennial, it is blue in color. It is a dry river. And in this, we can see a white structure. What is that? It is an island. Now we can see BM. What is BM? BM with a number. See here. That is benchmark. And here itself we can see RS. See here, RS. That is railway station. Okay, then here it is NH14. Here we can see this, broken contour lines. See, in a circle like. What is that? This is form line. Okay, this is form line. Now we can see a number in red letters. What is that? It is distance stone. Okay, here another number 119. What is this? This is post office. How can we relate the colors on the map with the lands? So, green color indicates forest land. Yellow color indicates agricultural land. White color, barren land. Now we can relate the colors with the occupation of the people. If the color of the map, if the area is colored with yellow, we can say that people are engaged in agriculture. But if it is green, we can tell that people are engaged in forestry. That means lumbering, gathering, and collection of honey, etc. And that's all about green color. Then mining. If we can see mines, we can say that the people are doing mining. That's all in this video. In the next video, I'll come with more features. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.